Ronald Clanton's Industrial Training. Industrial Control Systems, ICS. Definition: ICS are integrated hardware and software systems designed to monitor and control industrial processes in sectors like energy, manufacturing, water treatment, and transportation. Programmable logic controllers, PLCs, used to automate electromechanical processes. Distributed control systems, DCS, centralized control for large, complex processes. Remote terminal units, RTUs, interfaces for collecting data from sensors and sending it to centralized systems. Security concerns often use outdated operating systems and protocols. Lack of encryption and authentication in legacy systems. Prone to physical tampering or insider threats. SCADA, supervisory control and data acquisition. Definition: SCADA is a subset of ICS that remotely controls and monitors industrial equipment over vast distances, common in utilities, e.g. power grids, water systems. Functions: collects data in real time from sensors and field devices. Sends commands to control equipment, like opening valves or switching on a pump. Offers a user interface for monitoring and decision-making. Security risks: SCADA often communicates over IP-based networks, making it vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks, denial of service, DOS, unauthorized remote access, real-time operating system, RTOS. Definition: an RTOS is an operating system designed to process data as it comes in, typically without buffering delays, critical in systems requiring immediate response. Examples: VxWorks, FreeRTOS, RTMs, prioritization of tasks to ensure time-sensitive operations,